So I'm out for a nice ride on my Liberty Trike. The sun's shining, it's not too cold, and I came over across town to ride on the levee bike trail, and I want to show you what the ramp coming up to the top of the levee looks like. Okay, there's the ramp coming up. It's a fairly steep climb, but happy to say that the Liberty Trike took it all the way up. It was 8 miles an hour at the top. I didn't even pedal. Pretty cool. Here's the view from the riverside of the levee. And I think you can probably see down below there's a lot of paths to ride on. If you're really lucky, you might see some wildlife. I've been down here before on my old trike, and I've seen a couple of deer, and I think I saw a raccoon once, or maybe a possum, I don't know. It was a little too far away to really figure out what it was. This part of the road has got more gravel and it's more graded, so it's actually pretty nice. A little bumpy, sorry. There's a nice calming view of the river.